salt fish. And let me say that some of the following fish are made into salt fish: snook or robalo or codfish. So, saltfish.
Saltfish, the one that my mom used to always buy, especially around Easter time, was codfish, saltfish, and she would hatch that, and with a little bit of, pepper, salt, garlic, and onions, and she would make it with refried black beans, and sometimes with Johnny cake, fried jack, or homemade tortillas. But my favorite was the hash, saltfish with some Johnny cake. That was like that was what I loved growing up. That I still love to make now these days. But yeah, saltfish, codfish, the bomb.
You know what I have to say that saltfish is very hard to make because you have to desalt it. You have to leave it in water for what, 2 days?
Yeah, you have to get all that salt out. Sometimes it takes, it depends on how salty it is, how, sometimes we'll take a day or two to like just soak that fish in there to get all the salt out, and then you're able to prepare the saltfish the way you want to. Also, my mom used to use, like robalo saltfish to make hudut. She used to love that. That was the way she would go look for it that way and make her hudut with that robalo.